Take your surprise.
I got pistols only.
Bro, I can't wait to go home and see my mom, Panda.
I can't wait to go home and see my. Go. I'm gonna get up here first.
Hey.
If you wanna say a peekaboo.
Potato.
Anyone with a pistol I can throw roll.
Don't test me, bro. My aim is elite. I got that gun. I got that good.
Ow.
Oh, you let's come at the top level of.
They're coming in.
Oh, you.
Let me fix that real quick.
I'm on 6 health. And plus, how do you refill ammo? You press your bottom button, like the little A or X.
It's too easy.
No and then you grab the thing, your ammo.
It's
5 minutes already. Get him!
Oh fuck! I ran out of ammo, bro. He coming up.
You headshotted me. In that hotel. Yo,
And I got. Oh, you just go get it. Who is it? Down! Get down! You got the place surrounded. Hey, everybody, come up!
yo, there's a other team going up the stairs. Okay.
Units, I need
You mean the fence? There's one guy upstairs. I killed another guy. There's only one guy hurt. We gotta get upstairs.
Yo, y'all come help, man. Y'all do.
Y'all need to go up there so I can plot something.
Back over
Can't say what it is. 'Cause my voice isn't on speed check. You know what? We'll run suppress pistol. People keep telling me to get off suppress pistol.
Hey,
Cool.
There's a guy at the door. Get him. Just get him. It doesn't matter.
where's my assistant? Come at the top level. Tell me.
Man, I can't wait to go home and get mine. So everybody get to the top of the hotel. Hurry. There's other guys going in the hotel right now. You gotta hurry.
No. Oh, you missed. I need help. Yo.
I have left 7.
Dang it.
They can't see. I might die. Just saying, I have this. Oh no! Cause I got 2 grenades. Yeah. Kill some decent booty. He didn't even bother to check behind you. Come in. That was easy. Ow.
If anyone gets to me, I'm gonna shoot myself in the head.
You suck, dude. That was terrible, bro. You should probably get a new game, bro. You just gotta know that velocity, homie.
Oh my god, he didn't even bother to check behind you. There's a guy going upstairs.
I'm going upstairs. Oh, units, I'm gonna
They're
kill him.
upstairs. Guys, I got the guy. Get the guy.
Come on. Oh, units, kill him, he's around the corner.
You, Tony.
Move them,
I got the guy.
Bro.
1 minute remaining.
Guys, run back up. They're shooting me. Guys, there's a guy at the red hotel and he is blocking paths for our team to go.
Come in.
I'm gonna kill him. Guys, there's a guy like right over here and he's blocking paths. I'm gonna try to kill him.
Oh, units, I'm gunshot.
No, move!
Come on, what's wrong, Cookie? What's wrong, Cookie?
I'm not
Oh,
scared.
there's like
just
100
a
guys
little
up there. There's like 100 guys
There's
up there. No
only-
joke, no joke.
1,
6,
2, 3.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game finished. Tied game. No bots.
Why